Look at all this goodies. A perfect place for the perfect breakfast and a lot of people. So many of them. And now, fully packed outside, waiting for the ladies to get ready. We're all at Grövelsjöns fjällstation. The mountain cottage, maybe in English. So it was a great accommodation. They got saunas, the breakfast you saw, and here's a nice tent tipi, and a lot of hiking ways to walk here as well. So a lot of people. All of this is accommodation, even that one. But we were lucky to be up on the next one. The direction for today I don't know, because I tried to check the map but I couldn't find the direction for the day. And here, Gränslandet Rågen, the national park. Oh, Treriksröset, that's the way we go. We only got 1300 kilometers left. Nice. We soon be there. So halfway, over halfway done. So our journey was 2,700, so we already did 1,400 kilometers and only 1,300 left. That surprises me, but made me so happy. So, and again, hopefully the ladies will come. We still have Catherine from Germany joining us to walk. We are a great team, and she's easy to walk with because she walks the same fast pace. So that's nice as well, and she's very talkative and like us. So we talk, we walk, had the best of the times, and the views here are incredible from the cottage, from the hostel. Maybe we can see them over here if we're lucky. Have to walk around. But this was exciting to see the sign. Only 1,300 kilometers left. That was super nice. Yeah, and here's accommodations as well. But look at this. Look at this. Oh my God, the mountains, the skies.
The views from here and above, it's gonna be mountains and more mountains. And what a day! We thought it wouldn't be rain, and we had this sunny, beautiful morning.
Got the camera stuck in my face, and I got the explanation. This is only a pit stop, you know the drill. Yeah, so now we go again. But look at the views up here. We just took a 5-minute break here by the rock thing. And now we will enjoy future hiking, because we have started up the walk today with only uphill walking. So it felt good to take off the bags a few minutes here to get your strength up again and straighten up your back, because you get a little bit of crooked back when you walk so much uphill without any warm-up, unfortunately. So before uphills we like to walk a little bit first, but today only uphill. But now flat and down and around this mountain. We talked about going up there, but the vote was go around, so we see a little bit of lakes and stuff down here. Super beautiful.
A small Swedish fika on the road. So coffee, some screws.
Apples, coffee of course.
And Catherine has some
rullar.
Vegan.
what is vegan
Toffee-rullar.
toffee rullar.
Ah,
They were vegan stuff and they were really good.
Yeah.
I like the taste.
toffee feet.
And from here we have 6.5 kilometers and then we're gonna eat the lunch.
And we're trying out a new app today.
Yeah. Komoot.
Yeah.
So now we are off all trails and we are going by Komoot instead, because you see the distances in a very, very good way. I like it.
Yeah.
And I have a new purchase ahead of me to have to the Komoot app. So guess what it could be. So a Swedish fika with a view.
Look at the views, but now jacket on. I got the gloves on. Anna's jacket is on because it's super windy up here. But on our backs it's hot because we have the sun in the neck. But the views here are incredible. When we hit the little hill up here, I think we're gonna see a lot of nice views. And we met a few people up here today, and it was nice to see people out in nature, hiking, walking, running even. But look at this. And how do we feel?
We feel great. We have very heavy backpack since the grocery store yesterday.
Yeah.
But I don't find the words.
Yeah, but grateful to be up here and enjoy the views. Nice walking paths.
No water, not so much water today.
No, we are still
After a few hours I'm still dry on my feet.
Yeah.
Haven't been there for so many days.
No, and that's a nice feeling as well, because a lot of days it's soaking wet feet all day. You dry them at night time and you put them on, and a few minutes later you're soaking wet again when you start the walk. And like we said, we got Gore-Tex boots, both of us, but it's so they don't help so much. And again, these views. I hope you see anything on the camera. And do you hear the wind? You have to ask about Anna doing a layout.
We have a little bit of a drizzle, but we are rushing down the mountain to where we thought of going to have a very late lunch. So hopefully we will get there, and hopefully before it starts raining anymore. But I don't think it's going to be so much more heavy rain than this today, because we still see sun, we still see blue skies. So now we have a little bit of everything, but the wind is cold at the moment, together with the rain on my legs, but not too cold. So, and now we are down at the trees. So we have been go down quite some time actually. A completely different path down here.
I like the variety in this.
It's beautiful. And now we are down by the lake. So somewhere here going to be a little bridge so we can cross over to the other side. But the beauty of this trail today, quite amazing.
Yeah, so beautiful. Now we hit the river crossing. It's super beautiful here. Look at the flow. Look at the niceness of the water. Yeah. It's so clear. And again, all this $1 million views. This you can't pay for. Oh, incredible.
Yeah.
Nice.
So beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We find a little bit. Let's find a shelter. An absolutely decent place for a nice lunch break. And like you said, we're going for a little egg sandwich and an orange and salad and carrots up here. And you have the lake, you have the mountain, a little bit of people running around here as well. So we are not by ourselves. So it's nice to see people out in the nature. That makes me so happy. And it's super windy at the moment. And the wind is really picking up. I hope you can hear it.
We're expecting this tomorrow.
Yeah, but we were lucky to get it today.
I was talking earlier today about have a new purchase going on, but have decided now when I've been walking with this this app the whole day that I don't need that. I was thinking about buying me some kind of smartwatch, but now when I have my phone in the belly bag, in band bag, it's just fine. I don't need any smartwatch, I think. So there will be no more buying, no more purchases. So I will save that money and just go with the phone. Just turns out just fine, I think. But do you have any ideas? Do you think it's better with smartwatch when hiking like this, or do you go by the phone, or what do you do? Tips, ideas? Thank you. There is the cabin, our accommodation for tonight. And Catherine ran ahead in front of us because if you don't get there before 6, they hold your beds until 6. And then all these big rocks come ahead again. So I saw Dan just flew off But now I even see them walking backwards to me. And this is late afternoon, early evening. She is just 6 o'clock. So now we're going to settle in and make us a really nice dinner today as well. It was it was quite hard and easy today. It was a very different trail. It was a forest, big rocks, just paths to walk on, uphill, downhill. Another perfect day on the mountains. And now we are here. He took my backpack the last bit. And we are at Treriksröset, 870 meters
Above water.
Yeah. You did great.
Yes,
You did really great. So now we're going to take a shower.
A shower, I don't know.
Baden, down there. So now here is the cabin. So we have a small store. We can buy some food, sporks and so on. And dirty shoes out here. A nice German guy. He's staying in there. We got some lingondricka. Stove, kitchen, sink. Here is our. If you need to wash your face in the evening. So 2 beds there and 3. 1, 2, 3 beds there. And here we have like a curtain and hooks over. So these cabins are they're so different, but this is really nice. So, but now I will go outside and talk to the other people.
Why you have to clean up the
Exactly.
Why do you put all the stones on
I actually told you about the ice age, and it actually stopped here and it started melting, and that's where the stones are left.
I thought about this as well.
Like an area around.
Drinking water down there,
Yeah.
swimming water over here,
Oh,
Perfect.
clean water,
enjoy.
trash buckets, and the gas too.
Perfect. So now we will go to take a bath.
Yeah.
And don't forget the peanuts on top,
And I will sit here in the sun.
like this.
Are you in a restaurant today?
Yeah, it's a restaurant feast we have here. We got
Catherine
rice,
food.
Catherine food. She's the big chef here in this cabin. So
Like to treat
Yeah.
my
yeah.
my
So
friends
this
well.
is bean tikka masala with peanuts, extra bowl of salad, and for you and me, there's this nice sausage we bought.
Sausage.
What was the name of the place?
I can't remember.
Valdagsbygget.
Valdagsbygget, the cafe up there. So if you're in the neighborhoods, go to the Valdagsbygget and take a fika or buy something. They have a small store there as well. Please support them. That will be so nice.
Do you want to say goodbye?
No, you do it. You're better with the goodbyes. I always.
So I will say goodbye because now we're going to eat. The laundry hanging out there. Everything is fixed and done. We saw reindeers. We have had an absolutely great day. So please don't forget thumb up, subscribe to the notification, share with your friends, and we see you tomorrow.
I can totally understand this.
Oh, thank you.
Some more nuts on those.
Yeah.
Look like the beans.
Yeah. But this is Instagram food.
Yes.